Okay. Good afternoon, students. We'll start with the last part of unit number 1, that is indeterminate form. Okay, and that will help you complete your tutorials also. Right. So let us see what we mean by indeterminate form. You have done limits in 12th standard. Okay, and you have used it also how to apply an hospital rule and all. But how it comes? Okay, that we'll see today, and then we'll see the different form of indeterminate. Okay, so the name itself suggests that you won't be able to determine a fixed answer. Indeterminate means the limit value won't be a fixed value. It will be taking more than one. Okay. So for example, let me just ask you one question. Suppose your limit is to find this limit as x tends to a f of x by g of x. Limit as x tends to a f of x by g of x. Okay, suppose this is your limit that you want to find. Now, if it is, what is the actual answer? How do we find the limit? I put x is equal to a in both the functions. Isn't it? That's the way you find the limit, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what will be the value? Base of x a, it will be f of a upon g of a. Clear? Everyone?
Yes,
Basic. Your basic way of finding out the limits is f of a by g of a. But suppose f of a and g of a both are 0. F of a and g of a both are 0. Then what's the answer? It is 0 by 0 form.
L hospital rule.
Numerator is 0. Yeah. Numerator is 0 as well as denominator is 0. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So what's the final answer? And 0 by anything is 0. So let me just see that. 0 by anything. Don't look at the denominator. 0 by anything is 0. Anything by 0 is infinity. So it is taking more than one value. Getting it? It is taking more than one value. Hence it is said to be indeterminate form. Hence it is said to be indeterminate form. Is this okay?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Everyone? So
Yes, ma'am.
how we are going to solve this? How we are going to solve this? So for that, what we are going to do is we have done it. We have applied N hospital rule in the numerator, N hospital rule in the denominator. What is the meaning of N hospital? Take the derivative of numerator, take the derivative of denominator, and substitute x is equal to a. That will be your answer. Isn't it? Have you done that or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is L hospital rule? Whenever it is an indeterminate form or 0 by 0, we have done it as this limit L will become limit as x tends to a, f of x upon g of x becomes f dash of a upon g dash of a. This is your answer. F dash of a upon g dash of a. Okay, that's your L hospital rule by L rule. We get derivative of the numerator, derivative of the denominator, and in place of x, a. That's your answer. Suppose one more time again, f dash of a and g dash of a. This is also 0. Then what do? You again apply an hospital rule, and your answer becomes f double dash of a upon g double dash. This is what I have used, isn't it? अगर नहीं याद आ रहा है तो ठीक है ऐसे हाँ अगर नहीं याद आ रहा है for those I'll tell you how do we get it but क्या करते हैं हम लोग अगर 0 by 0 फॉर्म में है f of x upon g of x इसकी लिमिट की वैल्यू कैसे फाइंड करते हैं f of x by g of x अगर दोनों 0 हो रहे हैं if both of them are becoming 0 that is f of a is becoming 0 as well as g of a is becoming 0 then it is 0 by 0 form. 0 by 0 form is taking two values. If I take 0 by anything, it is 0. If I take anything by 0, it is infinite. So you have a penalty is taking more than one value, and hence it is called as indeterminate form. For which we solve it as take the derivative of numerator and the derivative of denominator and put x is equal to a. कैसे solve करते हैं? Numerator का derivative लेते हैं, denominator का derivative लेते हैं, x की जगह पे a लेते हैं. So f dash of a by g dash of a is your answer. If again f dash of a 3 dash of A भी 0 हो रहा है तो फिर क्या करते हैं L हॉस्पिटल रूल अप्लाई and what do you get M double dash of A by G double dash. Is it okay? So and we continue जितने जहां जब तक न्यूमरेटर या डिनोमिनेटर फाइनाइट नहीं होता वन ऑफ देम हैज शुड बिकम फाइनाइट. न्यूमरेटर फाइनाइट हो गया डिनोमिनेटर 0 है तो क्या आंसर है न्यूमरेटर इज सपोज your L becomes like this 1 upon 3 तो आंसर फिक्स है infinity. अगर L हो गया से 0 upon 2 तो ये भी आंसर फिक्स है 0. So it is not indeterminate anymore. It is fixed answer. So you will be getting the final answer. तो दोनों में से एक कोई भी फाइनाइट हो गया then we stop. Otherwise अगर दोनों 0 by 0 फॉर्म ही हो रहे हैं so we keep on continuing and taking the derivative unless and until one of them becomes finite. Is this okay?
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Everyone? Yeah. तो ये क्यों हो रहा है? That is because we have studied Taylor series. Just
Yes,
listen
ma'am.
now carefully. I'll tell you the reason why this rule comes like this. Okay? So suppose your function f of x. This limit you have to find. Limit as x tends to a, f of x by g of x, and we are writing the limit of f of x as x tends to a. मतलब f of x को x के a के around expansion में लिख सकते हैं. So what is the Taylor series of f of x about a? What is the Taylor series expansion for f of x about a? What's the formula? It is f of a plus x minus a and dash of a. ये हम लोगों ने किया है. अभी m1 है. Yes or no? Taylor series expansion for f of x. Taylor series expansion for f of x. Taylor series expansion for f of x. Taylor series expansion for f of x about a. This formula f of x is equal to f of a plus x minus a dash of a plus x minus a square by factorial and double dash. This is the Taylor series for f of x. Correct? Similarly, we have the Taylor series for g of x. What it is? G of a plus x minus a g dash of a plus x minus a the whole square by 2 factorial g double dash of a and so on. Correct? This is the Taylor series for f about a. This is the Taylor series for g about a. Now, what is given to us? What we know, हम लोग L hospital rule क्यों use कर रहे हैं 0 by 0 form. मतलब f of a and g of a are 0. So if f of a and g of a are 0, this numerator and denominator f of a और g of a 0 हो रहा है. So what will you get? X minus a plus x minus a square by 2 factorial m double dash of a. Correct? ये 0 है. This is also clear. Everybody, can you see this? Denominator become g of a. So it is x minus a g dash of a plus x minus a the whole square by 2 factorial g double dash of x. Clear? Now you tell me all the terms which are present, they have x minus a common. Correct? So I can cancel out. Okay. Once I cancel out that, instead of this is only for one. So what will happen? Your f of x upon g of x will become now x minus a gets cancelled. It becomes h dash of a plus x minus a cancel हो गया divided by 2 factorial m double dash of a and so on. Numerator ये होता है denominator भी g dash of a plus x minus a by 2 factorial g double dash of a and so on. ठीक है ना? So now if I take limit as x tends to a, if I take the limit as x tends to a, कहाँ पे मुझे x tends to a लेना पड़ेगा? Limit as x tends to a. So f dash of a and g dash of a are directly constants. Those will be as it is. What will happen here? A minus a. X कहाँ जाना है? A तक जाना है. So a minus a will become 0. इसके आगे के सभी terms x minus a रहेगा. So all the terms will become 0. Denominators also will become 0. And your answer
Ma'am,
will
your
be
voice is breaking.
or still it is breaking. Now,
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. It is not
that's
clear.
what I was asking. Now, is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So what we are doing, when I substitute x is equal to a, when I substitute x is equal to a, the numerator second term onwards it is becoming 0 because everyone has x minus a. So x की जगह पे a put करने के बाद a minus a will become 0. Denominator also g dash of a छोड़ के बाकी सब terms 0 हो जाएंगे. So what will remain only f dash of a by g dash. Clear, everyone? Online students?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
हाँ.
ma'am, can you repeat again?
Yeah. See, हम लोगों ने f of x by g of x यहाँ पे लिखा है. Here I have written f of x by g of x by using Taylor series expansion. What it is? Taylor series expansion about a will become f of a plus x minus a plus x minus a square by 2 factorial f double dash of a. f of x की Taylor series. वैसे ही g of x की Taylor series लिखी g of a plus x minus a g dash of a and dot dot. ठीक है? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, लेकिन ये लिमिट हम लोग क्यों
Yes,
सॉल्व
ma'am.
कर रहे हैं? क्योंकि जनरली f of a और g of a दिस टर्म ये आपके लिमिट का आंसर है, लेकिन f of a भी 0 हो रहा है, g of a भी 0 हो रहा है. That means it is 0 by 0 form. करेक्ट? f of
Yes.
a और g of a 0 होगा तो ही हम सोचेंगे ना, अदरवाइज अगर वो फाइनाइट है then we will stop there and that's your answer. दोनों 0 हो रहे हैं, ये टेलर सीरीज के पहले दो टर्म जो है those are 0. ओके, तो x minus a के आगे वाले टर्म्स बचे हुए हैं. So x minus a is present everywhere in each of the term. So I'm taking that common. वो कॉमन लेकर कैंसिल अगर किया तो ये x minus a चला जाएगा. x minus a will get cancelled and what we'll get is, let's see, this x minus a will get cancelled and we get f dash of a upon g dash of a plus x minus a का स्क्वायर था, एक चला गया मतलब एक बच गया. So x minus a upon 2 factorial x minus a upon factorial into f double dash upon g double dash. ऐसे करके आगे सभी टर्म्स में what you are going to have x minus a term you are going to have. हम फाइंड क्या कर रहे हैं? Limit as x tends to a. So apply that limit on both sides. Limit as x tends to a, limit as x tends to a. जब x is equal to a पुट करेंगे तो ये दोनों का टर्म कांस्टेंट है वैसे ही रहेंगे, लेकिन बाकी सब टर्म में x minus a है तो वो a minus a होगा and that will become 0. So what will be your answer? F dash of a by g dash of a. So that is your L-Hospital rule. Is it okay? Numerator का derivative, denominator का derivative and put x is equal to a. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Now tell me if f dash of a g dash of a also 0. अगर फिर से f dash of a g dash of a भी 0 हो गया then answer double dash. Can you see that it is going to come that only? समझ में आ रहा है? आगे का आंसर f double dash by g double dash कैसे होगा देखो. Before putting the limit f dash of a will be 0, g dash of a will be 0. तो वो चले जाएंगे. What will be left is x minus a by 2 factorial f double dash x minus a square by 3 factorial triple dash and so on. तो x minus a by 2 factorial कॉमन रहेगा, इसको साइड में निकालो, कैंसिल कर दो. What will be a constant term? f double dash upon g double dash and so on. So again, when you put x is equal to a, ahead terms will become 0, f double dash upon g double dash will remain. That's your answer. Is it okay? Clear everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the reason why Taylor series was also being done earlier. कि ये limits आप लोग use किया है आप लोगों ने. Twelfth standard we have used that L-Hospital rule. But how it comes? It comes because of Taylor series. Okay. So the first form is 0 by 0 and the second form is infinity by infinity. So both of them you can directly apply L-Hospital rule. But the remaining ones you cannot apply L-Hospital rule. So let us see those later on. 0 into infinity. There are 7 indeterminate forms in all. Okay. 0 into infinity, infinity minus infinity, 1 raised to infinity, 0 raised to 0, infinity raised to 0. There are 7. But today we are going to see 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity because both of them directly we can apply L-Hospital rule. Can I convert infinity by infinity form to 0 by 0 form? ये हम लोगों ने कौन से फॉर्म के लिए देखा किया L-Hospital अप्लाई हो रहा है
0 by
0
0.
by 0 by 0 के लिए, तो infinity by infinity के लिए अगर अप्लाई करना है तो उसको इस फॉर्म में पहले कन्वर्ट करना है डायरेक्टली. So can I convert infinity? Should I rub this and tell you? So if you have now 0 by 0 नहीं है, infinity by infinity. Infinity by infinity. Okay, so how will you do? Let's see. Who is becoming infinity? X is becoming infinity. And g of x is also becoming infinity. So what I will write? I will write this as limit as x goes to a, 1 by f of x in the numerator and 1 by f of x in the denominator. Is this the same thing like this? Denominator में 1 by f of x मतलब x की f of x. Numerator में 1 by g of x मतलब g of x होगा denominator. Now if g of x is becoming infinity, what will be 1 by infinity? 0. What will be 1 by f of x? 1 by 0. समझ में आया क्या? G of x is going to infinity and f of x is also going to infinity. इसीलिए ये फॉर्म हो गया infinity by infinity. So what I have done, I have rewritten it as 1 upon g of x in the numerator and f of x is 1 upon f of x in the denominator. तो ये क्या हो गया? This is 1 upon infinity, which is 0. This is 1 upon infinity, which is 0. So it is 0 by 0 form, and hence I can apply L hospital. Is this okay? Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
That's why both 0 by 0 and infinity by infinity I can directly solve by L. Okay, fine. Yeah. So now let's go to the examples. Okay. So what I will do is I'll try to solve 1 or 2 examples which are related to your questions in tutorial, so that you'll be able to solve those questions. So take down the first one. Evaluate. I'll start with easy one. Evaluate limit. Evaluate limit as x goes to 0. Sin x by 2 upon x. Can everybody hear me clearly now? Limit as x goes to 0, sin x by 2 upon x. Yes? So what is the form? What is this limit? What is the form of this limit? Put x is equal to 0. Right. Put x is equal to 0, sin 0 is 0, so it is 0. And denominator directly it is 0, so it is 0 by 0. So what I do? Apply L hospital rule. So what's that rule? L is equal to, listen those who don't know, apply. Limit as x goes to 0 as it is. You have to take the derivative of numerator, which is nothing but what is the derivative of sin? Cos x by 2 into derivative of x by 2, which is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is constant, x the derivative 1. Denominator, derivative of x is 1. So you have to take the derivatives of numerator separately and denominator separately. So what is the answer now? This is 1 by 2 outside. Put x is equal to 0. What is cos 0? Cos 0 is constant. So it is 1 by 1. X is 1 by 2. Is this clear? Very simple. Okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now let me start with the examples which are a bit lengthy. So at least 2 times you
मैम
have to apply.
डिवाइड बाय 2 से भी कर सकते हैं ना?
Correct. That is the shortcut. What you can do, sin x upon x. The limit is 1. That's the standard limit. So you can convert it to sin x by 2 upon x by 2. So x by 2 करने के लिए what you have to do? You have to multiply and divide by 2.
Multiply and divide.
Yeah.
Yes.
तो उससे भी answer half आ जाता है. So answer should be same. They cannot be different. Okay. Take down the question and you try to solve now. Okay. Let me give you. Evaluate limit as x tends to 0, e raised to 2x, limit as x tends to 0, e raised to 2x minus e raised to 2x minus 1 plus x the whole square minus 1 plus x the whole square divided by x log of 1 plus x. X log of 1 plus x.
मैम वो ट्यूटोरियल का 8 और 9 सॉल्व करना है।
हाँ, उसमें आपको अपने तरीके से लिखना है। आपको जो आंसर उसका कैसे लग रहा है कि why it is becoming average speed 100 किलोमीटर पर आवर एवरेज है ना, तो why it has been attained, वो आपको खुद के वर्ड्स में लिखना है। You can use YouTube, Google, then you can use reference book, उसमें भी है। तो you have to mention the reference from where you have used it. So today C3 batch we'll see. I'll inform you. Okay, what is going to be done, because you have, I think so, one session is arranged for gate and related to that. So if it is at 3 o'clock, our lecture at the C3 batch will have at 3:15 now. So once that is complete, suppose if it is from 3 to 4, then we can take it at 4 na, our tutorial. So that I will try to do. Okay. Yeah, so first of all, find out the form. Put x is equal to 0 and see what is the form. E raised to 0 is 1. E raised to 0 is 1 minus 1 plus 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. And denominator log of 1 is 0. But 0 into 0 is 0. So this is 0 by 0. 0 by 0 form. So you have to apply a hospital rule. So try applying a hospital rule. Apply L hospital rule. L is equal to limit as x tends to 0. What is the derivative of e raised to 2x? 2 e raised to 2. Right. Minus 2 into 1 plus x. X square, the 2 will come down. 1 plus x का derivative 1. This one. Denominator, you have to use product rule. You have to use product. So what is that product rule? This is u and this is v. U का derivative 1 log of 1 plus x as it is plus x as it is, derivative of log is 1 upon 1 plus x into derivative of 1 plus x. But what is the derivative of 1 plus x? 1. So it is x into 1 upon n. Is it okay? So check now what is the form again. What is L becoming equivalent to 2 e raised to 0 minus 2 into 1 plus 0 divided by log of 1 plus directly it is 0. Log of 1 is 0 plus 0. E raised to 0 is 1. 2 minus 2 again this is taking 0 by 0. Is it okay? Everyone? It is 0 by 0 form. So again you have to apply this. So again apply. So if you apply this once again, you have to take one more time the derivative of numerator. So what's the derivative of the numerator? L is equal to limit as x tends to 0, 4 e raised to 2x minus, is it okay? How you got 4? 2 as it is, e raised to 2x, derivative is 2 e raised to 2x. So 4 e raised to 2x. ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So then what is the derivative of minus 2 into 1 plus x?
Minus 2.
1 का derivative 0, x का derivative 1, so minus 2. Divided by, you see now it's going to become finite. Derivative of this. Okay, here you have to be a bit careful by writing the derivative. Okay. Log of 1 plus x का derivative 1 upon 1 plus x. But here it is u by u. So you do it. What it will become plus, but we are not worried because we can clearly see now it's going to be finite. So यही derivative ठीक से finite. So it will be v 1 plus x into derivative of that is 1. Okay, minus x into derivative of v, that is 1, divided by 1 plus x the whole square. 1 plus x the whole square. So therefore, L is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Right, now put the value of x equal to 0. We don't have to simplify it further. So L is equal to, when you put x equal to 0, this is 4 into e raised to 0 minus 2 divided by 1 upon 1 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1 upon, minus 0. Minus 0 divided by 1 plus 0. So what's your answer?
1.
1.
Yeah, this is 1 as well as this is 1. 1 minus 0 is 1 upon 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 2 by 2, the answer. Yeah, is this clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Second derivative? The Bharat puts a derivative. And you have to continue unless one of the numerator or denominator is to become prime. So suppose this was becoming 0, not a problem. Because numerator is becoming 4 minus 2, 2 now. So 2 by 0, infinity is the answer. Suppose denominator is becoming 4 minus 2 and numerator was becoming 0. So 0 by 2 is 0. So it is becoming fixed. Indeterminate means what? I am not able to write fixed answer. But one of them is becoming finite, definitely we can write the fixed answer. You stop. If both of them are becoming 0 by 0, then only we can. Clear everyone? Online students also?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let us take some simple examples and you try to solve it quickly. I'll try to give you easy examples which are asked in MCQ exam so that evaluate limit as x tends to 3. Limit as x tends to 3. Limit as x tends to 3 2x square. Limit as x tends to 3 2x square. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 divided by 5x square minus 12x minus 9. This is one. First one. The second one is, these are all the ones which are there in your examination also or MCQ also. Let me take limit L is equal to limit Lx tends to 0 square root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x divided by x. Please try to do this quickly, and once you get the answer, then I will do the type of question which is there now.
Ma'am, first is 5 by 18.
Correct, absolutely right. First is 5 by 18. Answer is 5 by 18. Try. So actually, what you can do is you can divide by x square. Who is going to be the problem? What's the highest degree now that you can divide and you can get the answer? Or go by a standard method of M square rule, still you get the answer. So this is 0 by 0 form. 3 square is 9. 2 into 9 is 18. Plus 3 is 21. And 7 into 3 is 21. So plus 21 minus 21 is 0. Divided by. Again put x is equal to 3. So 9 into 5, 45. Minus 13. 12 into 3, 36 minus 9. Minus 36 minus 9 is again minus 45. And plus 45 is 0. And this was, I think, so 21 minus 21. So it is 0 by 0. 0 by 0. Okay. So for MCQ, they ask you also what is the form. So 0 by 0 is the form. Now start with the hospital rule and you get the answer.
And the answer for second one is 1.
I think so, that's right. Answer for second one is 1. The students who are trying, please see. limit x goes to 3. Take the derivative is 4x minus 7 divided by 10x minus 12. Put x is equal to 3. So this is definitely not becoming 0. With the first L hospital rule only you are getting the answer. So 4 into 3 is 12 minus 7 is 5 and 30 minus 12 is 15. So answer is 15, right? So this question is there for 2 marks in the next. Are the examples easy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Go for the next one. Answer is 1. Again, here, what is the form? Put x is equal to 0. Root of 1 is 1. Root of 1 minus 0 is also 1. This is 0. So 0, 1, 0 form. So 1 and what you get is equal to limit x tends to 0. What's the derivative of root of 1 plus x? 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus x. 1 upon 2 root of 1 plus x. Minus 1 upon 2 root of 1 minus x into derivative of 1 minus x. Please use yes.
Plus
So
20.
yeah, so this is derivative of minus x is minus 1. So this minus of minus will become plus. If you don't do this, your final answer goes wrong, and that is also written in the option. Derivative of x is 1, and therefore minus of minus it becomes plus. So the answer is 1 by 2 root of 1 plus 0 plus 1 by 2 root of 1 minus 0. That is half plus half minus 0. Okay, clear? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So the MCQs those I have shared, which are on 0 by 0, you please try. I'm doing one question of finding the value of unknown because that's there in the tutorial, so that you can complete it. I'll extend the date till tomorrow, 12 in the midnight. Then you complete it properly and then submit it. Is it okay? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Should I rub this and we'll do with the file next time? Okay. Write down the heading and finding the unknowns. Finding the unknowns using indeterminate form. Finding the unknowns using indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. So let me first take a simple example and then we'll go to the one. Find the value of A. Find the value of A. Find the value of A such that the limit is finite. Find the value of A such that limit is finite. Limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. A sin of x plus tan of x divided by x. Find the value of A. Find the value of A such that limit as x tends to 0. A sin 2x plus 10x upon x cube is finite. Is finite. So what's the meaning of that? Finite means what? It will take one fixed value. So it should become determinate. Okay. Right now, what is the value of this limit? What is the value of this limit? Put x is equal to 0. Sin 0 is 0 and tan 0 is also
0 by 0.
So it is 0 by 0. So is it finite? So we'll say it is finite. It is infinite and it is indeterminate form, so we cannot get it. No, they have said make it finite. Correct, na? So we have to go ahead. So if you want to find the finite limit, what you have to do? Apply L hospital. Correct? So apply L. So what we get n is equal to limit as x tends to 0, derivative of the numerator. A as it is, A is the fixed constant, which I want to find. Derivative of sin is 2 cos of 2x. First cos 2x into derivative of x is 2. What is the derivative of 10x? X square x divided by 3x square divided by 3x square. Is it okay? Now put the value of x is equal to 0, x is equal to the answer. Abhi x is equal to 0 put karo. Numerator is 2a cos of 0 is 1 plus sec of 0 is also 1. Correct na? Divided by 0. Is it okay? Please listen now. This is the only step which you should understand.
But it is finite, no, ma'am.
Absolutely right. So what should happen?
We
Again,
will take
find-
2a plus 1 is equals to 0 and then we will do.
Absolutely correct. Just here. This is 2a plus 1 and divided by 0. But if suppose this was finite, 2a plus 1, if it was finite, then finite number by 0 answer will be infinity. But they have said that the limit is finite. So I should not stop there. यहाँ पे मुझे रुकना नहीं, आगे जाना है. आगे कौन जाएगा? हॉस्पिटल को अप्लाई कर सकते हैं तो एयर हॉस्पिटल रूट का अप्लाई कर सकते हैं.
Voice is breaking.
Okay.
Yes, is cutting.
Now, hello. Now is it breaking?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So listen again. Abhi, I got the value of limit 2a plus 1 upon 0. Correct? 2a plus 1 upon 0. So denominator 0 है तो अगर numerator finite होता तो I would have got the answer as finite upon 0 means infinity. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. So I should not be stopping here. यहाँ पे मुझे रुकना नहीं है, आगे जाना है और फिर finite answer find करना है. But if I want to go ahead, numerator should also become 0. Then only it is 0 by 0 form. Then only I can apply an hospital rule. That's why we are going to make the numerator 0. So if the limit has to be finite, then this limit should be indeterminate form, which is 0 by 0. Is it okay? So for n to be finite, 2a plus 1 should be 0. For n to be finite, 2a plus 1 should be 0. Is this clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And therefore, what will happen? 2a will be minus 1. 2a will be minus 1. That means a is equal to minus half. A is equal to minus half. Clear? Fine. Now, when you put a is equal to minus half, you will get the answer to be finite. अभी क्या किया उन्होंने सिर्फ पूछा है कि find the value of a. So in the MCQ, this a option will be there as -2, minus half. That's your answer. लेकिन अगर उन्होंने आगे पूछा, further they have asked, find the value of limit. Then what you are going to do? Put a is equal to minus half. This will become 0 by 0. Again, you have to apply n hospital. Clear? Fine. So do that. To find n, put a is equal to minus in the previous step. So n will become limit as x goes to 0 minus cos of x because 2a is minus 1. 2a is 2 into minus half. So that is minus 2a is minus 1. Minus cos of x plus sec square x upon 3x square. So L क्या हो गया? Limit. What is the form now? Just see it. Cos of 0 is 1 minus 1 plus 1. So again it is 0 by 0. 0 by 0. So again apply an hospital rule. Apply an hospital rule.
Ma'am, is the answer 1?
I think so. Maximum time it is either 1, 0 or then e raised to 1 like that. So let's solve and see what it is. So limit is extending to 0. What is the derivative of cos 2x? Minus sin 2x. So minus of minus plus. I'm writing it directly. Okay? Limit as x tends to 0. 2 times sin 2x. And this is 2. Derivative of sec 2x. 2 seconds into derivative of seconds, that is seconds 10x. So sec square x 10x upon 6x upon 6x. Again, this is 0 by 0 form. Yes or no?
Yes.
This is going to be 0 by 0 form. So go ahead and again find apply hospital. Apply this question if it comes, it will come for 6 marks. Apply hospital. In your MCQ, only finding A was the question. So you have to stop there with this. A is equal to minus half. But if it comes in your theory, you have to find the value of L also. So what will be the answer now? L is equal to limit as x tends to 0. 2 sin 2x, derivative is 4 cos of 2x. 4 cos of 2x. What is the derivative of this product group? So it is plus 4 sec raised to 2x again into 10 square x. Is it okay? Just see here. Sec square x का derivative 2 into sec x into derivative of sec x. That is sec x 10x. तो square होगा और 10 square भी होगा. One more term is there. Plus 2 sec square x into derivative of 10x. That is sec square x. Done. Divided by 6. Divided by 6. So answer is 1. Correct. Now put x is equal to 0. Middle term is going to become 0 because of 10. First term will become 4 into cos 0. 4 into cos 0 is 1. Plus 2 into sec 0. That is also 1. So L becomes, write it here. Therefore, L becomes 4 plus 2 divided by 6, which is 6 by 6, and that is 1. Clear, everyone? Fine? Any doubt to anyone? Please ask.
मैम
Yeah.
मैम वो लास्ट वाला फिर से बताओ. वो लास्ट बार जो अप्लाई हॉस्पिटल रूल के बाद बताया.
4 plus 2 वाला.
नहीं 4 cos square x plus 4 sec square x tan square x square plus 2 sec square x.
ये derivative
वाला.
कैसे आया? How did you get this derivative, right?
Yes ma'am.
Okay. 2 as it is, sin 2x का derivative 2 cos 2x. So 2 into 2, 4. So 4 cos 2x. Is it okay? Is this clear?
Yes.
Plus.
Yes. Yes.
यहाँ पे दो फंक्शन है sec square x और tan x. तो sec square x का डेरिवेटिव 2 sec x into sec x tan x. तो क्या हो गया वो 4 sec square x tan square x. ठीक है ना? प्रोडक्ट रूल यूज किया है.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Plus sec square x as it is 2 as it is derivative of tan x is again sec square x. So 2 sec square x into sec square x upon 6x का derivative. Clear?
Okay ma'am.
Okay. And then you put x is equal to 0, you get 4 plus 2 by 6, which is 6 by 6, that is 1. Okay? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you do the question which you have to do in your tutorial. वो वाला question try करो solve करने की. इसी type का है. What's that question? Anybody has it? Find the value of yes. Try to take that question. Find the value of P. Find the value of P. Find the value of P such that limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. Find the value of P such that limit as x tends to 0 sin 2x plus P sin x इसी टाइप का है. Was it the same one? No, ना. Limit x tends to 0 sin 2x plus P sin x divided by x cube divided by x cube is finite, and hence find the value of limit also. So whatever they have done in the previous question, exactly same you have to do, only in case of 10x or then you remove sin x. That's the difference. समझ में आ रहा है क्या? Hello? Yeah.
Ma'am, P is equals to -2.
Correct. P is -2. Find the value of the limit.
-1.
-1 आ रहा है. Good. So you all are able to solve the questions of limits. Others who are not getting, please ask your doubt. Limit as x tends to 0, sin 2x plus p sin x upon x cube. That's your question. So again, what is the form? You check first. Numerator and denominator. Denominator is 0. Put x is equal to 0. This is 0. Sin 0 is 0. Plus p into 0 is 6. So you have to apply L hospital. So apply L hospital rule. You will get x equal to limit as x tends to 0. Derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos of 2x plus p cos x divided by 3x squared. Can you hear me now clearly? 3x squared. Okay. So now check what is the value of the limit. Put x is equal to 0, cos 0 is 1. So 2 plus p upon 0. So I should not stop here because this is 0. This has to be 0 by 0 form. Then the limit will be finite. So 2 plus p should be 0. That means p is equal to -2. P should be -2. P should be -2. Now put this value of p. Therefore, and limit as x tends to 0. Limit as x tends to 0. 2 cos of 2x minus 2 cos x divided by 3x, which is in 0 by 0. ये p की वैल्यू फाइंड की हम लोगों ने ऐसी की है, it will become 0 by 0. So apply M multiple rule. Apply the rule. Okay. So what you will get? N is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Derivative of cos 2x is -4 sin 2x. Correct, na? And derivative of cos x is minus, so it is +2 sin x divided by 6x. 3x square का derivative, which is again 0 by 0. So apply one more time. So apply rule again. So final, now you get the answer because derivative of 6x is 6. So L is equal to limit as x tends to 0. Derivative of sin 2x is 2 cos 2x minus 8 cos 2x plus 2 cos x divided by 6. 2 cos x divided by 6. So put the value of x is equal to 0. That will become -6 plus 2 divided by 6, which is -6 minus 6. And that is -2. Okay, everyone? Hello? Is this clear to everyone? Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll
Ma'am.
stop here. Yeah.
मैम आप पी की वैल्यू रख के करेंगे तो चलेगा वो वाला इजी हो रहेगी स्टेप्स
फाइनल करना चलेगा एंड तक p वैसे रखो और देन आफ्टर एट द एंड फाइंड द वैल्यू दैट्स व्हाट सेइंग ना हेलो वही बोल रहे थे ना clear? So now please try to solve the MCQ questions which are related to this. Okay, And let me take your attendance. We'll stop here. After next time, we will continue with the other forms, infinity by infinity and the remaining forms. Okay? So you will be able to complete your tutorial now. So I'll extend the date till tomorrow. You can submit it by tomorrow. Roll number 1,
Present, ma'am.
2,
Present, ma'am.
3,
Present, ma'am.
4,
Present, ma'am.
5.